Dog, I'm gonna be a star. I'm better off as a loner, no medication. I'm sober, she wanna lie on my shoulder. She got me laughing like Joker. Later on, I'm a choker. I feel like Sunny Mansana with beats in my ada. I kill them verses like Stunner. I'm dripping water like Teller. How you niggas say you hate me, but you watching everything I do. How you say you hate me, but you wanna do like I do. But ngihlazo kudlula the inner parts of the avocado. Feeling like Mikado, we don't die, we multiply. Niggas hating, we don't give a fuck. Middle finger to a hater, I'm the king of the sheet. Me and them niggas, we not the same like they ID numbers. If you got a problem, better say it to my face, motherfucker. They wondering how I do it, cause ngipuma Lemme kaya. Ungisela ngobuso like I'm working at the radio station, Gizuk Sagas. She want my lollipop, ngoba ufuna ukungisaka. You niggas be sounding like Dudu K and Chaba on your songs. I'm a killer with the verse, Shakespeare with the pen. Feeling cold, I'm feeling blessed. Starting panic, I'm relaxed. Moving like a cheetah when I'm getting to the bed. I'm the label, I'm the brand, I'll never stop until the day they feel my raps. From the pools, I'm the mess.